First of all, from a structural functional frame, the more formal policies that the tri and the school had with each other, the more frequent the policy activities were, the more varied the policy activities were, and you saw even more in all the informal policy or informal other activities that strengthen relationships. So I think...
But why did you see more formal policies and more frequency and more of those things in one place and not in another? What was it about the context that shaped that?
So I'll give you an example. Stockbridge-Munsee, for their tribal ed board, the tribal ed board meets once a month. Right in their policies, it says there must be student representatives and adult representatives from Boulder School District and Gresham School District. It doesn't say that for Shawano. Shawano is also 15 or 20 miles away, versus Boulder is 3 miles away. Gresham is maybe 4 or 5 miles away, so I think geography might have a little to do with it. The reason it was more frequent is because it was written. I think they were closer, you know, because Stockbridge-Munsee families live in, you know, more of them live in Boulder and in Gresham area, real close to the res. But also because the policies called for them to come together. And then if you look at the policies of especially Boulder School District, they have the Boulder School District's Title VII Indian Ed policies was so much more detailed. This is what we're going to do. This is how we're going to evaluate and assess. Parents are going to come in and tell us how we do. So, I mean, you know, it wasn't just tribal policymaker to public policymaker. It was, how did the students assess us? How did the families assess us? How did the communities assess us? It was them going out in the community. The Boulder Public School says one representative from the tribe will sit on our board. And you can see in Gresham, even though they don't have that policy, when Doug Huck or whoever it was sat on the board, or when they had Stockbridge-Munsee employees as teachers, those people were heavily leaned on. Even in Shawano School District, where Stockbridge-Munsee is basically how much money comes in for these kids, and if it's not enough money, we're not even going to apply for it. That was one of the cases.